Next question. 500 is first decreased by 20% and then it is again decreased by 25%. What is the final value? In the problem statement, it is given that a value is decreased by 20% initially and again it is decreased by 25%. So the net percentage change would be a decrease. So the net percentage decrease is to be calculated. That is equal to minus 20 minus 25 minus of minus plus 20 times 25 upon 100%. Right here 25 4 times in 100 and 4 will be cancelled out 5 times in 20. So this value would be minus 40%. This minus sign indicates this will be a decrease. So the value 500 decreases by 40%. So it would be 500 times 40 over 100. So it is equal to 200. So we need the final value, which is equal to the initial value minus the decreased value, which is equal to 300.